Well, this is day 3 from leaving Monterey. Just to recap, we left San Francisco Bay about, I don't know, a week and a half ago. Caught a weather window down to Monterey, and then we stayed in Monterey for 5 days, I think, waiting for weather, which we thought was going to be good. I'll get back to that. And also, we found a leak in our Spectra water maker. I have to give a shout out to the Spectra support team. Really great. I was able to get parts here in a day and fix it. Anyway, I didn't video yesterday because it was, we left Monterey with a weather report that said the weather would tamp down after a gale. And sure enough, there were big swells, but the wind did not tamp down. Actually, it died, so we motored rather than bobbing the swells. But then the wind came back up, and it was basically 20s up to high 20s in really nasty, short, choppy swell. Maybe, I don't know, 12 to 16 feet. That went on all day Thursday night, and all day yesterday, Friday. It's Saturday now, and I think we finally got to the edge of that. We still have some pretty good choppy swells out there. But as of about an hour ago, the wind is now peaking at about 20 instead of peaking at 28, and we're more in the mid-teens. So we have 2 reefs in the main, and we even have the staysail reefed. And we're doing about 5.5 over ground, 6.5 over water, but depends on the swells. Now, pointed at Hawaii, what we see on the weather is that these seas are going to settle down quite a bit, and we'll be in the teens for wind, which would be really nice, especially since yours truly got hit pretty good with motion sickness, and the first mate was feeling okay, as she reported. So I've actually just eaten something, and am hoping for the best. I'll see if I can get Chris to report in a little bit. So this is still day 3. Looks like we have 1,866 miles to go to Hawaii. And we're about 237 miles from land. That's Point Conception. And the wind just kicked up again. You have anything to say about day 3?
Very happy if it wasn't so bouncy. But, you know, getting things done, sort of. Not eating very much, or doing very much. That's it.
This is still day 3.